Roofing success starts with safety first and using the right tools for the job. Your ladder must be sturdy and long enough to reach the roof area at the proper angles, roughly 1/4 of the vertical height out from the wall and extending about 3 feet, 1 meter, above the eaves. Be sure to tie your ladder or scaffolding off at the roof edge and secure all locking devices. These days, the majority of shingles are installed pneumatically, so invest in a good quality nail gun and compressor. Vertical and horizontal chalk lines are applied to ensure accurate shingle alignment over the roof surface. The roofing knife and blade is hooked for cutting and fitting asphalt shingles. A well-balanced claw hammer or specially designed roofer's hatchet is needed. You'll also need a nail apron and perhaps a pair of knee pads. A caulking gun, putty knife, or pointed trowel are used for applying asphalt plastic cement. Tin snips are used to cut metal flashing materials. A circular saw may be required for repairing or replacing damaged decking. A pry bar is a handy tool for lifting and removing hard-to-get-at shingles, flashings, and gutters. A square-edged shovel or pitchfork can also work well. Galvanized roofing nails are the best fasteners to use for roofing. Make sure you drive them straight, so the nail head is flush with the shingle surface. A magnetic sweeper or broom makes quick work of cleaning up the site when the job is finished. To protect shrubbery, air conditioners, bay windows, or other protrusions from falling debris, cover them with tarps or sheets of plywood. Keep a good-sized waste receptacle handy directly below the area you're working on. Now, you're good to go.